winter storm now behind us, but we're still stuck dealing with the dangerously cold temperatures. And because of the need for heat right now or other issues from the storm, many HVAC and plumbing companies are getting plenty of calls for service, some hours on end. Ozarks First, Parker Paget, live tonight at our station in Parker. You spoke with a local company about and was able to actually follow a crew around today on to one of their jobs.
Yeah, Bailey, but one of the first things you said, those cold temperatures are a pain to deal with, and because of that, we're focusing on some tips for you at home. If you didn't already know this, one of the main things that we've learned is faucets in your bathrooms and your kitchens. To drip those faucets with hot and cold water, have a consistent drip to keep water moving through your pipes, but also if you have cabinets under your sink, you're going to want to open those up to let any warmer air in your home reach those pipes. It's been go, go, go for people in the plumbing and HVAC world, and they're just getting started.
Those calls start ramping up a little bit, but it doesn't get crazy until the temperatures set in and things start having issues.
Mike Polino, owner of Lorenz Plumbing, says it's been a hectic few days.
We ramp up our staffing over the weekend so that we can handle all of those emergency calls coming in, because in the end, that's what we're here for, emergency calls.
Answering different types of calls from frozen drains to busted pipes.
If you realize you don't have water, first thing you want to do, you already don't have water, so you want to get your shutoff turned off. So if something does thaw out, which it happens, you don't have water running everywhere, or at the very least, you control the situation. Next is to call a plumber.
Ozarks First was able to follow a Lorenz Plumbing crew to this house in South Springfield as crews work on a frozen drain.
It's never happened before, but I know it was below zero last night, so it was really cold.
Dale Penn says he was aware of the issue because his upstairs unit kept clicking.
There was enough moisture, I guess, backing up maybe from that drain, which wasn't draining out, that this little device detected that and went off. So if I hadn't had that, you know, I don't know.
Crews were able to fix it today, which Penn appreciates given the demand for plumbing work.
I know they're swamped with calls right now, those kind of businesses, and they were able to work me in today. I didn't call till after 8 o'clock, so I'm happy with the service.
No heats are number one because that's a dangerous situation for somebody in these temperatures. Not having water falls right behind that. So, and we're going to be talking with everybody, and figuring out where they fall and get to those emergencies first.
Another thing to look out for is the filter in your furnace. Polino tells me that it's important to make sure you switch that out because dirty filters can impact the airflow from your unit and impact the ability to keep you warm for this week with those low temperatures. Reporting live in Springfield, Parker Paget, Ozarks First.